Hey there. So imagine this problem. You've been happily snapping away on your Samsung Galaxy phone, only to realize that you've been taking motion photos without even knowing it. Now, you're left with a bunch of JPG files on your computer that contain short video clips along with the still images. What a pickle, right? Now, here comes the solution to your little conundrum. These motion photos are actually JPEG files with MP4 video clips tacked on at the end, and you can easily separate them using a neat tool called ExifTool. All you need to do is run the following command: ExifTool ***.jp. Simple and effective, right? To wrap it all up, ExifTool is your go-to buddy for stripping out those pesky video clips from your JPG files in a jiffy. Just remember to run the command ExifTool ***J in your command line. Sit back and watch as your photos transform back into regular still images. Problem solved. Now, go ahead, give it a try, and remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Catch you later.